In this video, we are going to sprint through 74 ways to save money. Get ready. Here we go! 1. Kickstart with a $500 emergency fund. Forget the 3 to 6 months of expenses nonsense. Start small. A $500 cushion can save you from a financial heartbreak. 2. Craft a spending budget. Know where your money's going, or it'll go on a vacation without you. Use those fancy bank tools to keep track. 3. Embrace the envelope budget system, cash in envelopes. When it's gone, it's gone. It's like dieting but for your wallet. 4. Save money with purpose. Have specific goals. Whether it's a trip to Bali or a new pair of Jimmy Choos, know what you're saving for. 5. Automate your savings. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Set up auto transfers and watch your savings grow while you sip your latte. 6. Set short-term goals. Think of it as dating. You wouldn't marry someone on the first date, right? Same with savings. Start small. 7. Begin saving for retirement early. Time's ticking, and compound interest waits for no one. The earlier, the better. 8. Maximize employer matches. Free money alert. If your employer is offering, take it. It's like a tip, but for your future. 9. Save windfalls and tax refunds. Found money should be saved money. Think of it as a gift from the universe or the IRS. 10. Create a savings plan. A plan makes everything sexier, even savings. It's like a roadmap to your financial nirvana. 11. Save spare change. Pennies make pounds or dollars in your case. Round up those purchases and watch the magic happen. 12. Apply the 24-hour rule. Hold your horses before splurging. Give it a day. If you still want it, then maybe it's worth it. 13. Indulge and save. Buy that smoothie, but save the same amount. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but financially responsible. 14. Calculate purchases in hours worked. How many hours do you need to work to afford that designer bag? Puts things into perspective, doesn't it? 15. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Out of sight, out of mind. Less temptation in your inbox equals more money in your pocket. 16. Cancel unused memberships. If you're not going to the gym, stop pretending. Cancel it and save the cash. 17. Add a savings reminder. Stick a note on your credit card. Something cheeky like, do you really need this? Might just do the trick. 18. Explore investment development accounts. For those on a tight budget, this is like a savings account on steroids. Look into it. 19. Round up purchases for savings. Let your bank round up your purchases and put the change into savings. It's like a digital piggy bank. 20. Ditch bottled water. Save the planet and your wallet. Tap water is the new black. Now let's look at some food savings tips. 21. Meal plan. Like a boss. Know what you're eating for the week. Less waste, more taste. 22. Cook in batches. Cook once, eat thrice. Your future self will thank you. 23. Embrace generic brands. Sometimes the only difference is the label. 24. Use coupons, but wisely. Don't buy something just because you have a coupon. That's like buying a boat to get a free anchor. 25. Eat out less. Make your kitchen the new 5-star restaurant. 26. Shop with a list. Stick to it like you would a good skincare routine. 27. Buy in bulk, but only if you'll use it. A gallon of mayo is not a good investment. 28. Don't shop hungry, because a hungry you is an I'll buy everything you. Home savings tips. 29. Audit your energy use. Know where your energy's going. It's like calorie counting, but for your home. 30. Unplug devices. Vampire energy is a thing. Don't let your gadgets suck your wallet dry. 31. Use energy-efficient appliances. They're the Prius of household items. 32. Insulate your home. Keep the heat in and the high bills out. 33. Refinance your mortgage. If rates are low, pounce like a cat on a laser pointer. 34. Negotiate rent. It's not set in stone. Flex those negotiation muscles. 35. Get a roommate. Half the bills, double the fun, or at least half the bills. 36. Downsize. Do you really need that extra room? Less can be more. Transportation savings tips. 37. Use public transport. Let someone else do the driving while you save. 38. Carpool. It's like a road trip, but cheaper and probably less exciting. 39. Bike or walk. Good for your health and your wallet. 40. Maintain your vehicle. A well-oiled machine lasts longer and runs better. 41. Compare insurance. Shop around like you would for a pair of shoes. Health savings tips. 42. Use generic medication. Same ingredients, different box. 43. Exercise at home. Who needs a gym when you've got YouTube? 44. Preventative care. An apple a day keeps the doctor and the bills away. 45. Use a health savings account, or HSA. It's like a piggy bank for medical expenses, entertainment and lifestyle savings tips. 46. Free events. Keep an eye out for community events or free days at museums. 47. Host potlucks. Socializing doesn't have to break the bank. 48. Use the library. It's not just for books. Think movies, courses, and more. 49. Travel off-peak. Fly when everyone else is grounded. 50. Use cashback and rewards cards, but pay them off each month, okay? 51. DIY gifts. Handmade is the new luxury. 52. Buy used pre-loved can be just as good. 53. Sell what you don't need. One person's trash is another's treasure. 54. Limit salon visits. Learn to do some beauty treatments at home. YouTube is your friend. 55. Cancel cable. Streaming is the future, darling. 56. Limit subscriptions. Do you really need 5 music streaming services? 57. Buy quality over quantity. Invest in things that will last. 58. Use a shopping ban. No shopping for a month can be quite enlightening. 59. Limit luxuries. Treat yourself, but within reason. 60. Use a no-spend day. Challenge yourself to spend absolutely nothing for a day. 61. Limit alcohol in coffee shops. Make your own cocktails and lattes. Be your own barista and bartender. 62. Use free software. Why pay when you can get it for free? 63. Limit online shopping. Out of sight, out of cart. 64. Use a capsule wardrobe. Less is more when it comes to fashion. 65. Use a 30-day list for once. If you still want it after 30 days, then consider buying it. 66. Use a family plan for services. Sharing is caring and cheaper. 67. Use a VPN for cheaper rates. Sometimes location can affect the price. Be a savvy digital nomad. 68. Use Honey or Rakuten for online shopping. Let these browser extensions find the deals for you. 69. Use a water filter. Stop buying bottled water. It's a racket. 70. Use cloth over paper. Towels over paper towels. Cloth diapers over disposables. 71. Use a programmable thermostat. Set it and forget it. 72. Use LED bulbs. They last longer and use less energy. 73. Use a rain barrel for watering plants. Mother Nature provides. You just have to collect. 74. Use a community garden. Grow your own veggies and herbs. It's like a farm-to-table experience in your backyard. That's 74 savings ideas, folks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Sophia's Hub. See you next time.